Good evening, students. Today we have to proceed the same chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Actually, I told you earlier, this chapter has been divided into 3 sections, and we have to continue the very first section of the chapter. And you also know very well that here, on the morning of January 2nd, the condition was not good, but whatever happened on 6 pm, whatever happened at 6 pm, really the wave had hit and this result was not good. The author's condition was not good. His physical condition was really very disturbed because of the hit of the wave. And here, he did not know what steps must be taken instantly. And you also know very well that here, really luck matters. And because of that lucky situation, he was able to come out from that situation. One lucky thing also happened that year. Instantly Mary appeared. And it was a very lucky point, especially for the author. Now, having seen Mary, obviously he had an hope, he had an optimistic concept, and he wanted to instantly being a captain to some instruction to his wife, Mary. And earlier in the previous lecture I also told you that here Mary told the author that here they were sinking because the water damaged the whole most of the part of the ship, and they found themselves especially in the water. The decks were smashed and they were full of water. And take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Being a captain, he guided, he gave instruction to his wife. Because earlier he was tackling the wheel, he told his wife Mary that she must tackle the wheel so that he could come to know whatever the situation is going on inside. Because he knew very well that here, if he did not do anything, obviously they would be completely sink. Now, he instructed his wife Mary to take the wheel. I shouted as scrambled for the hatch. Hatch I told you earlier for the door in the deck of a ship. And Larry and her were pumping like madmen. Okay, if the question is asked, what steps were taken to control the water or the flooding of the ship? And the steps were taken first of all that Larry and her, what were they doing? These were the two crewmen that were hired by the author. And Larry and her were pumping like madmen. They were doing the efforts so that the water could be sent out. With the help of the hand pump, they were doing so. Broken timbers hung at crazy angles because the water had entered the ship. The result was that here the timbers had broken, the planks had broken, and most of the water had entered the ship. That's why these things could be seen at crazy angles. And the whole starboard side bulged inwards. Starboard means the right side of the ship is called the starboard side. The whole starboard side bulged inside, bulge means swelled. That had gone या प्रोट्रूड फॉर्म में कि जो स्टारबोर्ड की साइड थी वो अंदर की तरफ धंस चुकी थी. एंड क्लोथ्स, क्रॉकरी, चार्ट्स, टिन्स एंड टॉयज slosh about in deep water, and these things were obviously not heavy in a weight. That's why these things could be seen on floating in the river. I half swam, half crawled into the children's cabin. Earlier, he told his wife she must tackle the wheel so that he could inspect the situation. And given that responsibility to his wife, he half swam means here because the water was in the ship. That's why he had to swim in the boat. And half crawling, जहाँ पे water नहीं था वहाँ पर से crawl करना पड़ा. And where did he reach? He reached into the children's cabin. He wanted to know what's the condition of his children. And he asked question. Are you all right? I asked. The narrator asked whether the children were all right. They answered from an upper bunk. Actually, they were on upper berth, and they replied in affirmative. But my heart hurts a bit, said she. She was the daughter of the author. She was merely 7 years old. Uh, she was badly injured, but she did not disturb his father earlier. She told only one thing that year, her head hurts a bit. And she also pointed to a big bump that was happened because of that situation. Uh, इसी की वजह से उसका जो हेड था उस पर एक बहुत बड़ा बम्प कहते स्वेलिंग आ चुकी थी सही उसकी आइज़ के ऊपर. But the author had no enough time to worry about bumped heads because first of all he had to save the lives of all the members of the ship or the crewmen. After finding a hammer, again what steps were taken I told you earlier, so these were also the steps. After finding a hammer, screws and canvas, the author had taken hammer, screws and canvas. Canvas is the cloth which is used specially for tent, and canvas, and I struggled hard on deck. I struggled back on deck. Deck I told you earlier, the floor like covering or the horizontal sections of compartments. तो वहाँ पर उसने उन सब चीज़ों को लिया and he started struggle back on deck. With the starboard side bash open. Starboard side, the right side of the ship was instantly thrown open. It was actually broken. Most of the part of the sideboard was broken. We were taking water with each wave. Whatever the wave was coming, that was taking too much water, and the water was coming inside. And we were taking water with each wave that broke over us. And the author knew very well that if we had not taken instantly step, if we had not done the repairing work, obviously they would sink. He knew very well that. Somehow, I managed to stitch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. The narrator did one thing here. First of all, he spread canvas. जो कैनवास था, जो क्लॉथ था मोटा, जो टेंट के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, पहले उसने क्या करा, उसको स्ट्रेच करा, फैलाया. एंड सिक्योर वाटर प्रूफ हैच कवर्स. हैच यू नो वेरी वेल दैट ईयर डोर के लिए कहा गया है. एंड वाटर फॉर जो हैच कवर्स अक्रॉस द गैपिंग होल्स. द वाटर वॉज कमिंग इन साइड with the help of the gaping holes, and that was also covered with the help of these covers. Some water continued to stream below. Having done so many efforts, the water was coming inside, and the author also knew very well he had to do something or more. But most of the part was now being deflected over the side. But whatever the steps were taken by the author now here, the result was positively. Earlier the water was coming at a great level. But when he adopted these steps, the water was going to be deflected. कि वाटर अब थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो रहा था अपने रास्ते से, थोड़ा सा इतना नहीं आ रहा जितना कि पहले आ रहा था, उसका वे थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट हो गया था. More problems arose when our hand pumps started to block. This para is very important. More problems arose. Okay, when did more problems arise? समस्या अभी यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी. The more problems arose when the hand pump started to block. Earlier, the water was sending out with the help of the hand pumps. But now here, the thing that happened that was not favorable or fortunate for the author and others, the water was coming inside. And more problems created when the hand pumps started to block. जो हैंड पम्प्स थे वो ब्लॉक हो गए. व्हाट द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट ईयर? द मेन रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ द डैब्रिस वहाँ पर जो भी ट्रैश था, जो कूड़ा था, दैट वॉज फ्लोटिंग अराउंड द केबिन्स एंड दैट हैड एंटर्ड देयर. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न द इलेक्ट्रिक pump also stopped working because they got short circuited. Now the hand pumps were not working because they blocked because of debris, and along with that year क्योंकि जो हैंड पम्प्स थे उनमें debris एंटर कर गया था, इसके अलावा इलेक्ट्रिक पंप के साथ क्या हो गया था, दे गॉट शॉर्ट सर्किटेड. The water level rose threateningly. Obviously, when earlier the water was sending out with the help of these things, but now the steps were taken by the author, having done the sketching canvas. But now the main tragedy happened that year. These hand pumps stopped working as well along with the electric pumps, and that's why the water was coming inside at a great level. The water level rose threateningly. Back on deck, I found that our two spare hand pumps had been drenched overboard. Again, the depressing situation was there. But even then, we are gaining one lesson that we must still uh, not to lose hope till the last step. The author does one thing that year. When he went on back deck, he found that the two spare hand pumps were there, had been wrenched overboard. Had been wrenched means thrown overboard means on the ship. क्योंकि बहुत तेज़ी से अटैक हुआ था जिसकी वजह से जो है जो और स्पेयर हैंड पम्प्स थे वो भी क्या है शिप में गिर चुके थे. अलॉन्ग विद द फोर स्टेज सेल द सेल स्पेशली यूज फॉर द सपोर्टिंग के लिए यूज़ की जाती है यहाँ पर मेन सेल के स्टार्टिंग में जो होता है, और जिप और जो डिंजीज जो स्मॉल बोट्स को कहा जाता है, एंड द मेन एंकर स्पेशली हैवी मेटल यूज़ किया जाता है कि वेयर एवर द पर्सन आर टू स्टे हु आर द पार्ट ऑफ शिप, तो एटलीस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एंकर दे कुड स्टे देयर. तो दीज थिंग्स वर ऑल्सो डैमेज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द हिटिंग ऑफ द वेव्स. देन आई रिमेंबर्ड with another electric pump. And now these hand pumps are also not in working positions. Then the author remembered that they had their another electric pump also where under the chart room floor. कि जो चार्ट रूम फ्लोर था वहाँ पर क्या था एक कुछ इलेक्ट्रिक पंप भी थे. I connected it to the out pipe. Now the author connected that electric pump. One electric pump was there. It was connected with the help of an out pipe. Out pipe means with the help of that the water could be sent out. And was thankful to find that it worked. When we would have a positive concept, obviously the result would be positive. That same happened that year. The author thanked the God. At last that electric pump started working. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping, stirring, and working the radio. Now the teamwork is going on here. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine was there. The night was looking endless because all was doing efforts. Whenever the situation is not favorable, at the time doesn't pass quickly. इसलिए ऐसे लग रहा था वो समय जैसे रात कैसी हो गई हो, एंडलेस हो गई हो. Bitterly cold routine of pumping because the pumping procedure was going on, and that's why the procedure has been called bitterly. Not experience was sweet, and the cold because the water was continuously coming earlier, but now they were doing the process of sending the water out, throwing the water out, steering and working the radio. And the working of the radio, actually they were also doing the one thing here. They were also wanted to connect to the control room with the help of the major calls. Steering work was being done by Mary maybe there, and pumping work may be done by the Larry and Hawk. And the captain was doing the working on the radio. We were getting no replies to our major calls. Major calls means emergency calls are there whenever the persons need help. At the time they can do the help. They can take the help with the help of the major calls, which was not surprisingly in this remote corner of the world. Actually, these mayday calls were not working. The main reason behind that here because they were there at the remote part of the world. That's why no response was coming from the mayday calls. Shoes had swollen alarmingly.